Hello dear students, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Arohi Educator. This is day 4 of our special English podcast series for the Class 8 Scholarship Examination.
Friends, through this series, we are learning English in a simple, slow, and continuous conversation style.
We are students of Zilla Parishad Prashala Banoti, and our aim is to help every scholarship student improve English vocabulary and confidence.
In day 1, we learned synonyms. In day 2, we learned antonyms. In day 3, we learned one-word substitution.
And today, in day 4, we are learning a very interesting and very important topic, that is, idioms and phrases.
Arohi, many students feel idioms are difficult.
Yes, Manas, but once you understand the idea, idioms become very easy and fun. An idiom is a group of words whose meaning is different from the literal meaning. I repeat again, idioms do not mean exactly what the words say.
So we cannot translate word by word.
Exactly. We must remember the meaning as a whole. An idiom is also a group of words, but it may or may not have an idiomatic meaning.
Scholarship exams mostly focus on common idioms.
Now friends, listen carefully to some very common idioms.
Please listen again and again.
A piece of cake, meaning very easy. Once in a blue moon, meaning very rarely. In hot water, meaning in trouble. Break the ice, meaning to start a conversation. Hit the nail on the head, meaning to say the exact correct thing.
These idioms are often asked in exams.
Yes, and students should not try to translate them word by word. Now let us understand idioms using sentences.
Sentence practice makes meaning clear.
The English paper was a piece of cake for me, meaning the English paper was very easy. I meet my uncle once in a blue moon, meaning I meet him very rarely. He's in hot water because he did not do his homework, meaning he's in trouble. The teacher broke the ice by telling a joke, meaning the teacher started the conversation easily.
Now the meanings are very clear.
Now friends, let us look at some important phrases.
These phrases are useful for writing and MCQs.
In front of, before someone, because of, due to, in spite of, despite, according to, as per, instead of, in place of.
These phrases are commonly used in sentences.
Now listen carefully to sentences. He stood in front of the class. The match was cancelled because of rain. She went to school in spite of illness. According to the teacher, practice is important. I drank tea instead of coffee.
These phrases make sentences meaningful.
Now friends, let us practice MCQs. Choose the meaning of once in a blue moon. Correct answer, very rarely. Choose the meaning of a piece of cake. Correct answer, very easy. Choose the meaning of in hot water. Correct answer, in trouble.
Always remember meanings, not words.
Now friends, just listen and think. Break the ice, start talking. Hit the nail on the head, exact answer. Once in a blue moon, very rarely. A piece of cake, very easy. Even silent thinking is practice.
Manas, why are idioms important?
Because they test real understanding of English. Scholarship exams want students who understand meaning, not translation.
That is why listening daily to Arohi Educator helps.
Let us revise again slowly. A piece of cake, very easy. Once in a blue moon, very rarely. In hot water, in trouble. Because of, due to. In spite of, despite.
Manas, revision makes learning strong.
This was day 4, idioms and phrases.
This series is proudly created by Zilla Parishad Prashala Banoti for scholarship students.
Subscribe and follow Arohi Educator for daily English scholarship podcasts.
Tomorrow we will come with day 5, prepositions.
Both together, keep listening, keep learning with Arohi Educator. Thank you.